a demonstration. Play one music. And not the Director General of Education, Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education. I you Haruna Iddrisu, Modano. Surgery is hanging on. And not the man with him. I am because of the Chamber and not the man with him. But I want to make sure Quasialet near Jimmy Sam Nansen let away.
Alawari aje yan to.
And as I'm ranting about Omuba Ombeba Accra, so Muba pick it and Oba demonstration. Men teach you almost Oma school. Now, when dealing with you, Jimmy, would papa tell it, we Jimmy, we are what's your papa, the couple on Tio, and what's a phone. And I'm Ghana Education Service. Mopasia, someone wanted to take some position, condition, and I'm trying to make your Quasia letters.
I was for me, Mamma Makwa about the bagan and same TV so. Said the money I'm from Mr. President. But home so by like video, be subscribe to the channel, not turn on notification. So there be next time videos of this nature about some sabit makabi. Now, also contribute to the studio. We say the health. Also, boy, me studio in Kamani sound internet. Be here near, but reaching 3 number na wasi on. Yes, I can better wasi so. And now me no kasa idea and talk kase panel course between Haruna Iddrisu, Minister for Education, and Atto Forson, Minister for Finance. Yeah, these two people, they are very interesting individuals in Ghana politics. Now, the question and saying, as it is alleged, say you don't have any mama interest on whom is going to be the leader or the flag bearer for NDC come 2020. No, never faced Dr. Lad Mahmoud Bawumia. Haruna Iddrisu has been interested in being a flag bearer for NDC for a couple of years. In December, maybe Crampudi and mafia tactics, and my free the role as a majority leader. Sorry, a minority leader by Sidin Ketia. It was all as a result of the interest in contesting or to become the flag bearer of NDC. Nani dream and somewhere last year, Obekasa his eyes are still on the ball. Until co raises are concerned, and my Rajon Dominimos, is a Mijano, or before holding him. It's all or yeah, just say or sabotage and papa. In the history of Ghana, the trademark of NDC and John Dramani Mahama has been hatred towards nurses and teachers. And of course, when him sent to the Haruna Iddrisu ko share send be me a man ho ba hin ho about time. And Haruna Iddrisu so when the chances are with me they win presidential primaries on the ticket of NDC now are very high. Interfere, he's decided to come out. Number to be man or woman. Into a question national television is not a teacher for saying more blaming me for recruit some from Mokani. You should blame her to forcing. And this has sparked a lot of conversation around this issue. Haruna Iddrisu say only what the baby are to forcing a city. What means come from a teacher from Kofi. Haruna Iddrisu one why not from as Minister for Education because you're on the a Ministry of Finance and a clearance member. We are called Atto Forson, we clearance, Atto Forson for clearance in man. It is only one engine. Now, as a minister, if you are failing to negotiate, right, to get slot for your people working under your sector, then you are not a good minister. You are not a ministerial material. You don't deserve to be there. Now, Bonebe na Ghana for the bay Atto Forson here. Atto Forson be decided on the own Ghana for clearance, on teacher for clearance, I mean for more money in Chomoka. You should forget these people are breadwinners of their family. These people are breadwinners of their family. It's Bonebe na teacher for Atto Forson. Bonebe na teacher for their agent Dramani Mahama. Because of their parochial interest, they want to see teachers suffer. Because of their personal interest, they want to make a certain ministry look so vulnerable and so terrible. This is something that the politicians must understand. Ordinary Ghanaian now, they are two Obama. They are two Obama. Some mama soon young, because some media soon be doing some. It's better you people repent before the ordinary Ghanaian decide to rebel. Teachers who soon over 1 year and still counting in Chiamoka. And now the Ministry of Education is telling us that you should blame the Ministry of Finance because Omo decided some of my clearance. Because of what? For what reasons? Omo can't change anything. Any brilliant no more home by some bell campus on.
We are Namachrim, Yanko.
Recruitment, you're working with the finance minister.
Muntio.
A joint cabinet member.
I'm getting many of them on the stream.
I know. A lot of the teachers are not particularly happy with government, happy with the Minister for Education. I see justified demonstrations and picketing at the ministry. But I am not the approving authority. I wait for the Minister for Finance to grant me clearance. With clearance will indicate that I recruit 10,000 teachers. Then I proceed with GES to do that. I don't have the approval. And therefore, it is not a case of Haruna Iddrisu or Minister for Education not wanting to help teachers. We recognize that we need teachers across the country. As I said, to improve foundational learning and education.
Recruitment, your
Mepacho Enche Bia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ebe kachire yan Ghana phone na say ye recruit over then 1 million workers, especially in the nursing and teachers field. Osomafo a oda education ano say otiti say ye say unfair teacher for adwumam na osre teacher for say enya no photo a say Atto Forson no a omo ka kire ye say sika ta ho say po into omo de be adwuma no so no ama ono Haruna no clearance a ontumi nya hwe. Into the question again will be say aban na ho ka kire ye say amela me say makusie ni yo aban no president ni say we create adwuma wa fan crofo adwuma dia oche education so say me pa cho me no ye ma me clearance ntumi fan crofo adwuma ye ma me clearance dia me fa teacher for adwuma me fa o mo fine but ye ma me clearance. Who should we believe? President you say yama 1 million jobs and now the adwuma ne shene nsa no ka kire we say there be adwuma ne ye ni sky ye dey no fine and obegina di obekukuru 5 minutes fa na yanko
Abusia for me church obi a me gidi se nyame adom obi ahụ ye
pa
eya wama me se na nka hwan na nka ebeda sori adwene ho se ye de mahama betutu ba o me ho na chese Ghana for akoye mistake ato amasabi obi obeye vice president ye nhunu ade bia obeye as vice president obeye president scandals ahodo ne Ghana sika obewi aye ese Ghana sika ema Ghana ye basa emu dum so aye da ye sebi emu basa ya oye basa hia de be hye Ghana sai Ghana de ka hwan na nka bedwede ho da senka Ghana ke be kwakoto aba short memory na o ka che say short memory no ampadampa ya kire ne say ampa ya short memory amando no oti good oti Jubilee House or who say Ghana for ye jimi nti no one for respect bi ama Ghana for no and until he came to lie to us say Ghana Statistical Service for man ya where say one man for 1 million jobs automatic posting automatic one ya ni na to nsuo mo no anim sa to nsuo mo no in the Ghana Statistical Service for say 330,000 One Mahama could not simply so catch Ghana for you say 1 million jobs knowing very well say it is a lie. All because wouldn't you pass over because you 330,000. It is such a disgrace to you and your government. Who be catching and say you are 1 million because you promised the nurses automatic posting, you promised the teachers automatic posting. That's when to me and your mom no be catching say you have restored the allowances and no correct. Say allowance on about 1 year no be true. Akufo-Addo time we train 2016 2015 Akufo-Addo be restored in 2017 no wo ba ye osabe ye president 2025 ye was atwam 1 year when ti omoka one good year be ye president when ti omoka ti obeka tell say he has restored it no it is because he cancelled it he himself has cancelled it again na Ghana for ye fanya yen ye fanya yo ye fanya yen na ya hey Obi a be more ye be ye policy ye baby be a Ghana for your son for so ye do election ye ko toba I Mr. Felix. Send ye ko kasabre panko fatwa so mo ko toba keke na Ghana ye ni ye keke no. As if se Ghana na ye be ye ni ye ba be ye ni ye ma ye nkwa ya tene. Emu fufuo wo, emu banku ka, emu ntadesiye. Adey. Te say dia Ghana na ye prayer hwese ni nyina be koso ne ye nkwa na ekoso ama ye omo maka ne nka ho me who free education ba ye no akufo do anka say MPP for nko kita MPP membership card nkwa na ba go school free. He said say obia eko free education obia eko free education obia ko bi obia ba ko bi aden Ghana for ade automatic posting na do dan akufo do ba ye obe posti enkola motene fie from 2014 2016 o pe post mu nyina automatic post na do dan kwaku fodo na ba ye ni nyina no mo ka che plain mo nto aba no ene nyame na etwia mo ka ma ha mo santi increment ne so se mo se dia mo panie na do ba yo be ye mu yie etu increment mu salary increment at the state 30%.
Oh yes,
in the Mahama basashia die etimi tesu ma ne 9% na mo 11%. Ma ton wa de papa to ama sebi Mahama ka ba omia to aso a nka sebi Ghanaians would be experiencing a kind of different economy. That to aba ma basashia die we ni omo nkofo wiya Ghana sika wiya Ghana gold di. Gold as sebi Ghana ye fe gold coaster na nado danko kufo de ne ba omia betu 8 tons. Far gold no gold ye e mani ko do 30.53 tons. Most that ton gold na ma wan kasangasa mo at $3,300. We be catch Ghana for some di ense bo Ghana sikem asa ko ton at $5,500. Nyame be chia mo ka ndisi for. Me si nyame be chia mo ka. Nyame be chia mo ka. Sika mo de ton ye nyina sebi e teachers for su akoko afo mawu me si koko funi biara wo kwahwere ne nkwa just because of this issue inti me si redim bisa ni mo jamfiri mu NDC for ho nyame bisa ni mo jamfiri mu NDC for ho ama boye fo ye to abama mo ye hunu he o Ghana ham say nyame bisa mo jani nyina mfiri mu ho obi biara wo kana no aduro because se bi mo dado mo say 6,000 se bi o koko krachi ni wakoji loan Sisi bi yebe tuwa koko munti wakoji loan or that sorry ya ti koko so 10,000 bags or be first kind of FD nyame
issue sality mo sality we e ba abonte no Yankopon on tua wo ne wasefo ka
teacher for no
we ye di pa bonefo emrantie ne mabawa aye dwuma besa fini etire ye a omuka demonstration. Pre wa musika. And no the Director General of Education, Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education. You Haruna Iddrisu, Modano. Sajini is Henyansa. And no the man with him. And no the man with him. But what to be champ was let near Jimmy Sam Yansen let away.
Alawari aje
yes. And as I'm renting Mabawa. Omeba Accra, so mobile be picket and over be demonstration. Men teach you say Oma school. Now won't tell you we Jimmy, would papa tell it, we Jimmy, we are what's your papa, the coupon on Tioka, and what's a food. We are Ghana Education Service. What's your summer wanted to take, so I would die the condition could be, and I'm not trying to make your letters.
na say you say Mahama issue by e dey na NDC fanka di watem wa unua keto baako na say fire speaker of parliament who zombe condemn so you see
yes e fa dia no hypocrisy Kevin Taylor me on the way no see all of a sudden Kevin Taylor ni atem Kevin Taylor there o kan hwan because I know because what is happening? Oyomo darling boy.
The Speaker of Parliament at them.
They didn't see it as an insult. They didn't see it. Oh, what do I say? And then President John Mahama had lied that a year 1 million employment 1 million. It was not true. You fact check it and not true. He had lied. Even before joining his career, I can't watch that. He had lied.
Maybe a mistake in the lie.
No.
Maybe a mistake.
It's not a mistake. President. No, I'm a researcher.
But
no, a researcher speaks to data.
And to be a data.
No,
10,000 zeros near 6.
Me defend the own. The supervisor, you can say, Omo no mbisa you know. Examiners, they will ask you why this figure and not this. Why did you choose this number of population and added this? Because figures are important. And so when you are speaking to data, we call it deductive reasoning. You speak to the data. Based on the data, now they can answer. Until the moment you are quoting, and you are quoting from a source, the entire me as a researcher, I cannot forgive because me, some mature paper, no reviewer would forgive me if you mess up. Because semikokotu me call reference not that reference in your papa a criminal.
Wow.
In research writing semikoka bibina mi so Zando et al 2023 yeah Zando say nya no kre
2021
na nya no kre a criminal.
Okay, you say figures there e be already
no
10,000 and who say zeros need to 1 million
there be. And no,
so you can be pardoned.
No, you cannot be pardoned because there are certain figures you cannot
get it wrong.
Okay. Employment statistics.
Yeah.
Because when you time, once you do when you time what me. One, see GSS say quarter one, GSS say quarter one, quarter three. There's nowhere your status are because you're quarter one, quarter three. GS now be can asem or you're emphatic.
Wow.
And we say the labor force is one. And I'm saying in economics or in labor, you can labor force. Labor force you calculate the employed and the unemployed.
Okay.
If you can say labor force 1.2 million, it consists of women who are juma and juma because there are people who are willing to work, active people.
And they are part of the labor force.
They are part of the labor force.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay, I get it.
And so, my data now say Kotua. According to Ghana Statistical Service, by 2025, the employment was 1 million.
Projected to do, yeah.
But who cap kill one and kill three?
You are being specific.
You are being specific. Okay. And no interest.
And it's okay, I'm for be chow papa.
Oh, and I make us say, normal. I didn't make it. Once I try, I am in trauma, my baby, because I have many followers. It's only few people know muye de know. It does not change the silent people who know what I'm saying.
Okay.
The people who will never comment, but they are reading.
Okay.
And those people are more than the people who just come and make noise.
And they are even dangerous when it comes to decision making. Okay, silent killers.
Yes.
They will not talk, but it do have say that.
There are many people who say, Nana, they watch on you follow, Nana, one want shape you, Nana. People into social media, so now so be attacking me. You don't know what you are talking.